love Kijai's designs. This is another one of Kijai's designs. This is Skull Island. This thing is wicked. Look at that. Oh, this is too cool. Man, he's just awesome designer. Maybe one day we'll be half that good. Stuff he designs, I don't know if we'd ever attempt anyhow, because we like to do all the toys and video games and TV shows, anime, stuff like that. But this is just too cool. We did his other one, the Forbidden Watchtower, a couple weeks back and put that video up. That was pretty cool. Look at the detail in that. That's just too cool. So this is Skull Island by Kijai, and I got this on My Mini Factory. Pretty sweet. Looking pretty awesome. Doing this with the Zyro green filament. I like that Zyro filament. It's only like $15–16 a kilogram. And it comes on a nice clear roll. The only complaint I had was the different size holes on the two sides, but now that I got a good spool holder, it doesn't really bother me at all. And I love the clear rolls so you can actually see how much filament you got left. Too badass. Gotta love Kijai. One of the coolest designers and 3D sculptors out there. I think him and Luby are my two favorites, but probably same with everyone. So I guess I'm just jumped on the bandwagon. This thing is looking so badass. I'm getting ready to go get something to eat. And by the time we get back, it should be done. Oh, look at the spiral stairs running all the way up. That is just too cool. Damn, Kijai. Wish we could design half as good as you. Alright, back from dinner. Look at that. That is awesome. That is such a cool print. Oh, dude, it goes all the way up into the... That is so cool. Look at the spiral stairs. Wow. Alright, Kijai. Another kick-ass model.
Well, I was going to paint this up. You know what? Got so much other stuff to do. I just don't really have the time to do it justice. And it looks so cool just as it is, that I think I'm just going to leave it exactly like this. Maybe down the line after we finish our 3 new designs a week challenge at the end of this year, and I'll go back and really paint up and do some justice to some models that we're doing in between that are other people's stuff that we're just printing like this. This is just too cool. I mean, that'd be awesome painted. Seeing the lava flow out the eye like that. Man, it's just too badass. Kijai, you're definitely I think our favorite designer. I think Luby comes in second. That's just too cool. Great job with this model. We really had fun printing it. I hope you guys enjoyed our little video of it. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed it. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't. And ring that bell as we have a lot of content coming out this year. Have a wonderful night. God bless.